Hello, this is the third day of DAC and welcome from Austin. Today I receive a distinguished visitor. It's Farzad Zarrinfar from Mentor Graphics. He's the managing director of Novelics business unit. And I think he will speak today about his memory IP. So, Farzad, I have a first question. Being in the IP area, IP business, there are many IP providers in the memory IP. And in addition, we perfectly know that the foundries offer IP blocks as memory blocks, free memory IPs. So the first question, is this a viable business? How do you envision your business in front of the free offer and other provider?
Thank you, Gabriel. That's an excellent question. Actually, what we are offering, we provide differentiated memory IPs to enable customers to provide more value and differentiate their product. So we provide memory IPs with the lowest dynamic power, lowest leakage, and achieve highest speed and smallest area. And we have seen that depending to which type of IPs that we offer to customers, we have a variety of IPs and portfolio of IPs, and depending to the volume of the product and percentage of usage of IPs, we can save with approximately around $3 to $9 million of revenue for customers and save them lots of money. So it makes it very interesting for people to utilize our memory IPs.
Okay, good. So my next question is, the memory blocks are used usually to validate the process node. And we all know the battle to go to the finest geometry. So if people want to stay in the business, we know that they have to shrink. What is the status for your memory IP?
So there are applications for larger nodes, like we support all the way from 180 nanometer all the way down to 28 nanometer. So what we are seeing is there are some applications that have lots of mixed signal technology, so they could benefit from larger nodes like 180 nanometer, 130 nanometer. And then there are some optical shrink nodes that could be 160 or 152 or 110, and we support it all the way down to 65 and 55, and our smallest geometry is 28 nanometer.
Oh, 28, that sounds good. Now I would like to go back to your offering. Yeah, when we speak about memory, it's memory blocks, it can be register, it's a large variety of blocks. What do you support really?
So Mentor traditionally have had other soft IPs like USB or portfolio of Ethernet, triple speed Ethernet or 10 gig Ethernet, and some microcontrollers, and they have had memory BIST and memory DFT. So we complement that with very comprehensive memory IPs. I think we have the most comprehensive portfolio of IPs, all based on bulk CMOS technology, and these are 1 TS RAM for very high density memory applications, and we have 6 TS RAM and 8 TS RAM for large, fast memory IPs, and then for primary caches, we have register file in single port and dual port, and we have for microcode and coefficient, we have ROM offering, cool ROM offering, and we have a very exciting portfolio of CAM that is supposing ternary CAM and binary CAM that is being used for a variety of search application and networking application and variety of cache controllers.
Looks very broad. Now I would like a last question. You know, I came from the synthesis world, so I never understood if people sell the memory compiler so that the people can instantiate what they want or for a given range, or do they get an instance of a memory?
No, that's an excellent question. Actually, we offer both. We offer instances to people, and all our instances are provided using a web-based compiler that we have. So if customers want to access our compiler and use it globally in various locations and point to our cloud computing and server farm that we have. They can access it, and we have a very powerful web-based compiler that you can set priorities and do architecture analysis based on power, speed, and area. So different applications have different priorities, and this compiler is very intelligent and can deal with variety of parameters such as high density bit cell, high current bit cell, variety of VTs, variety of power management techniques, variety of source biasing and leakage management techniques, and as a result provide the most optimum solution for customers. And we support foundry bit cell as well as custom bit cell.
Oh, it looks an excellent offer. So the Design NYU wishes you a big success, a big business success for your memory, and I'm sure it's already there today. Thank you.
Yes, thank you very much, and I think our memory IPs can be a great solution for a variety of applications that our customers are enjoying, such as wireless communication, gaming, surveillance, variety of low leakage thumb drive and solid state drive, and variety of server and storage applications and portable multimedia. So customers are really enjoying of this technology. Thank you very much for your time, Gabriel.
Good. Thank you.